Are you a student who wants to learn AI in a simple way and save time? Then this channel is for you. Hi everyone, I am Devi Priyanka, an MCA student. I started learning AI and realized many students feel it is difficult. So I created this channel to make AI simple for everyone. In this channel, I will share AI tools, simple tutorials and real life examples. You do not need coding knowledge to start. Now I will show you a simple example. I am typing give me notes for DBMS. Just click enter. See within seconds it gives full notes. Can you read the definition, concept and important topics here? So instead of searching many websites, you get everything in one place. This is helpful for exams, assignments and quick study. This is how you can use AI to save your time. Instead of spending hours searching, you can get answers instantly. You can use it for assignments, coding helps or learning. I will guide you step by step in every video so you can learn easily without confusion. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and start your journey today.